Why is everything so hard? Do you want to be healthy? Of course you do, but guess what? Learning how is hard. And who do you learn from? There's 1,000 different experts for everything. Everything. Finding an expert is hard. And even if you do find an expert, guess what? Experts don't work for free. But guess what? We just made it easy. Now you can learn incredible health advice from world-class experts for free during the Fasting Reset Summit. What is it? A free 4-day virtual summit event. What are we learning? Intermittent fasting, an incredibly simple ancient wellness technique proven effective time and time again. But don't take my word for it. We've got over 35 world-class doctors, leaders, and other similar experts to tell you all about it and so many other topics. And from January 21st to 24th, you can see it all for the very best price. Free. So what are you waiting for? We've got your free ticket ready to claim at fastingresetsummit.com. Signing up takes seconds. fastingresetsummit.com. Fast and easy.